Hi friends, I'm so excited to bring you this amazing recipe for butter cookies that are soft and fluffy and just amazing. They melt in your mouth, but they are only made with 3 simple ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. So 1 pound of butter, 4 cups of flour, and 1 cup of sugar. That's it. These are optional. If you want to add some extra flavor, add some cardamom powder. You can top it off with some nuts or some chocolate, but there's only 3 main ingredients. So what you do is simply just drop in the butter into the flour, make sure it's at room temperature, and you're going to just mash it up together and just try to combine everything. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of sugar. So just add it all in, and that's it. Those are your 3 ingredients, okay? So sugar, flour, and butter. Here we added some cardamom because we love cardamom in our house. We add cardamom to everything. And then we go ahead and we combine everything. The butter is going to melt in your hand with the heat of your hands, and it's going to give shape to this really nice soft dough, this soft batter. You don't even need to use a mixer or a blender or all those fancy gadgets. All you need are your hands. And look how nice this batter, this dough looks, and it's ready to shape into the cookies of whatever shape you like. So we're just gonna make simple circles. You could use cookie cutters to make some nice fancy shapes, but these cookies are good just like this, so simple. You can get your kids and family involved. They're going to love doing this. Look how beautiful they look. They're so soft and buttery, and your hands are gonna smell so nice. So once you're done giving all of these cookies their shape, you can dip them into the nuts of your choice. Here we have crushed pistachios. We also have some pecans. And once these are done baking, we're going to dip them into chocolate. So we bake them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. They kind of increased in size a little bit, so make sure you separate them out on the cookie sheet. They're nice and golden brown on the bottom. Your kitchen is going to smell like heaven at this point. Look how beautiful they are on the inside. So right now we're just going to melt some chocolate chips for the coating. So this is what your chocolate looks like when it's melted, and we're going to get ready to dip them in just to add a nice, beautiful color to them and a nice taste of chocolate to them. This is really fun. Kids love doing this. You can also dip the whole cookie into the chocolate for more chocolate. And that's it. Your cookies are ready to be enjoyed with a nice cup of tea or coffee. And these are the easiest cookies that you can make. It takes literally like 30 minutes and your cookies are going to be done. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a try. You won't be disappointed. In fact, I think you will be addicted. So with this, I end this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay happy and stay blessed.